Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I'm here with Lecture Monday with the next part in technical terms in plant breeding. Starting with the first one, euploid. When the individual whose chromosome number is an exact multiple of the basic number मान लो n है, तो 2n, 3n. Now next one is evaluation. That is the process of assessing performance जो कि yield, quality, disease, resistance, tolerance कुछ भी हो सकता है of newly developed strain of a crop through appropriate multi-location trials. Next one is evolutionary method of plant breeding. Segregating generations are maintained as bulk for long periods like for F20, F30 तक ऐसे या फिर उससे भी ज़्यादा to allow natural selection to alter their genetic composition. ठीक है, जो segregated generation है उसको हम लोग मेंटेन करते हैं F20-30 तक ताकि वहाँ पे natural selection हो सके. Next one is excitation, that is movement of an electron to an outer orbit of a higher energy level. Exotic variety जो कि हम लोग foreign country से introduce कराते हैं, that is exotic. Exploration, a trip for collection of germplasm of cultivated and related wild species. ठीक है, इसको expedition भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, explore कर रहे हैं, नया germplasm collect कर रहे हैं wild species का. ठीक है. Next one is expressivity, that is the ability of a gene to express itself uniformly in all the individuals that carry it in the appropriate genotype. ठीक है, जितने सारे भी इंडिविजुअल में है उसमें सब में वो कितना एक्सप्रेस कर पा रहा है नहीं कर पा रहा है, इट इज़ दैट. Now the last one is extreme homozygote, that is a homozygote isolated from a hybrid usually produced by crossing two or more parents that has either all the positive or all the negative alleles for a trait for which the hybrid was heterozygote. मीन्स हाइब्रिड हेट्रोजाइगोट था लेकिन वहाँ से हम लोग होमोजाइगोट को आइसोलेट किया, दैट इज एक्सट्रीम होमोजाइगोट. So these were for the today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up. Till that, take care. Bye bye.